In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the schedule in QuickBooks Time to manage your team's shifts. Welcome! If you're coordinating multiple employees, this tool keeps everyone aligned, lowers last-minute confusion, and helps you plan coverage with confidence. First, log in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the dashboard, look for All Apps, then choose Time and click Schedule. This takes you to the area where scheduling is managed. Next, select Launch QuickBooks Time. It's the green button. This opens QuickBooks Time, where the detailed scheduling features live. Inside QuickBooks Time, open Schedule from the left-hand menu. You'll see a calendar-style view. Typically, days run across the top and your team members appear down the side, so it's easy to spot coverage at a glance. Before adding shifts, pick the week or date range you want to work with so you're looking at the right time frame. You can focus on a single day or a full week depending on what you need to plan, and use the arrows or date picker to move between weeks as needed. To add a shift, click Add Shift or the plus New Shift button on the specific day you want. A shift panel will appear. Choose the employee who should work that shift. Make sure you select the correct person, especially if you manage a large team. Now set the start time and end time. Enter the hours precisely and double-check AM and PM. Many scheduling issues come from a simple AM-PM swap, so it's worth a second look. If you schedule overnight work, confirm that the shift spans the correct dates. It's also helpful to match times to your business's time zone to avoid confusion. If your team has standard shift lengths, keep them consistent so the schedule is easier to read. If it applies to your workflow, add a job code, customer, or location. These optional fields are great for clarifying where the employee should be, what work they're doing, and for improving job costing and reports later. They can also make payroll and invoicing smoother by tying time to specific work. This added context helps team members understand their assignments at a glance. Click Save to add the shift. You'll see the new shift appear on the calendar for that employee and day. Repeat this process for each additional shift you want to schedule across the week. Consistency is key. Using the same conventions for codes and locations helps everyone understand the plan and reduces mistakes. When you're done, review the weekly schedule. Scan for overlaps, gaps, or unassigned days, and confirm coverage for your busiest times. Make sure each employee's hours look reasonable and consistent with your staffing plan. That's it. Your schedule is set in QuickBooks Time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.